Good morning again, students. Welcome to our online class for the second session on Friday. All right. So on Friday, second session, we usually study Treehouse 3. And now, everyone, please open your Treehouse 3 book on page 454, activity book. All right. So prepare your activity book and open it on page 54. Alright, here we go, page 54, okay, on activity book. So this page you have to count and then add the items that we already learned, alright? We have shirt, we have clothes, okay, watches, candies, okay? So before you going to do this, alright, so I will put this for your classwork. And teacher will show you this instead, alright? Learn how to count and then add, alright? So now let's start. Alright everyone, so I hope that you know already how to count numbers from number 1 to number 10, alright? And some students can count to 20, alright? Or 30 or 100, alright? That's very good, okay? So on this today class, you can only count to 10, can do this, alright? You will be able to do this. Alright, so now look here. So what are these, alright? How many watches are there over here? How many watches are there? There are four watches, alright? And then plus, okay? This one is addition symbol, alright? Addition symbol. It means you have to add one item to one item, alright? Together, okay? Addition symbol. How many watches are there? There are 4 watches too, okay? So equal, what is 4 watches plus 4 watches? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so in total there are 8 watches. Okay, so here we go, everyone. 8 watches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this is what these are watch. And now, what is this, everyone? What is this? These are glasses. Okay, these are glasses. How many glasses are there over here? There are 3, okay? 3 glasses. 3 glasses add, okay? Addition symbol or we can say plus. 3 glasses plus how many glasses over here? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses, okay? 4 glasses. Alright, so what is 3 glasses plus 3 glasses? What is 3 glasses plus 4 glasses? What is it, everyone? How many? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 glasses. Okay, equals 7 glasses. Alright, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 glasses over here. Alright, so here, look at here. What are these? Alright, what are these here? Have you ever seen it? Okay, candy, alright, or lollipops. Candy, alright. So how many candies are there over here? 3 candies, alright? 1, 2, 3. What about this? 2, alright? So we add the addition symbol, alright? What is 3 candy plus 2 candy? What is 3 candy plus 2 candy? Alright, it is 5 candies, alright, equal 5 candies over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candies, alright? Okay, everyone, so we finished our activity of counting and adding the items, okay? So, do you understand, everyone? Alright, So now teacher would like you to do classwork by yourself. Everyone, please open your book on page 54, activity book. Again, everyone, this is I showed you earlier. So this is your classwork, all right? So what you have to do is to add and match, add, stick, match, and write, all right? Add these items together, all right? Add these items or plus, add here, 4 plus 4 equal how many, all right? Stick. So you have to add the sticker too, okay? Add sticker over here. Match, after that you have to match, okay? Match the correct answer. And then write numbers, okay? You got it, everyone? So you know how to do, right? Okay, so if you don't know how to do, you can ask teacher more, okay? You understand? Okay. So this is your classwork. Alright, everyone, so this is the end of our class for today, alright? So now teacher would like to say goodbye and see you next week. Please have a nice weekend, everyone.